Welcome friends. In the previous tutorial we have started our journey with Microsoft Word. Now in this tutorial we will be working with documents. Document is a file that you create to manage information in any form, and the file that we create with Microsoft Word, we will call it a document. Now we will create a new document. For that we have many ways. One is to click on Office button and select New. As you select New, there will be a dialog box from which you can select a template to create a new document. At the leftmost side we have templates, which is blank and recent, install templates, my templates, and so on forth. Currently we will select the blank document, and here at the rightmost corner you will have the view of how the document will look like. After you click on create, it will create another document for us. Let us close this one. Okay. There is another way of creating a new document, which is pressing Ctrl and N key, and it will immediately create a new document for us. As you can see, this is document 3, which is being created because I have pressed Ctrl plus N. We will close this as well. After creating a document and filling it with information, it is very important to save the document on our disk. To do that, I will use this quick access toolbar and click on this save button. If we click on this button, it will open a dialog box, and from here you can select the location where you want to save this file, and here you have to type the name of the file, which is doc1 by default. I will not change this, and click on save. As you can see, our file name has been changed in the title bar. Now let me create another document, a blank document, and by default its name is document 4. Now if you are working with multiple documents, it is very important to switch over documents when you need them. To do so, go to View tab, and here you will find Switch Windows, which will give you the list of all the currently open documents, as this is our doc1 and this is document 4. So in this way you can work with multiple documents at the time.